Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to read Yahoo Finance balance sheet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first step that you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser, then open up Yahoo Finance. And once your search user loads, simply click on the Yahoo Finance link and that will take you to the Yahoo Finance homepage. Now on the search bar, simply search for the company that you are looking for, like Apple. Then once you're inside the chart, what you need to do is open the financial section. Simply click on the financials on the left hand side of your screen, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is select balance sheet. Then what you need to do next is understand the key sections. A balance sheet has three main parts. Number one is assets, what the company owns, current assets and non-current assets, and next is liabilities, what the company owes are current liabilities and long-term liabilities, and next is a shareholder equity. The company's net worth, equity is equals to assets minus liabilities and includes retained earnings, stock and additional paid capital. And then next step is to look at trends, compare current year with previous year to see growth or decline in assets, liabilities or equity. For example, increasing assets plus decreasing liabilities is equal to stronger financial position, and declining equity may indicate financial trouble. You can also use ratios to calculate key ratios to understand financial health. Debt to equity ratio is the total liabilities divided by shareholders' equity, and current ratio is equal to current assets divided by current liabilities. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. That's it for today's video, guys. If this video was useful to you, leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.